What is going on, guys? Sean here with another episode, straight razor shaving. I feel like it's been a while. Just been real busy with the business that the family has, and I just haven't had the time to do this, but I have some episodes that I will be pushing out in the near future. Today is a special episode because I'm going to give you guys an update. The update isn't mine. It's something that a friend of mine has been working on. You guys know him as Eric, the Cajun Blade. And we've all been trying his soap. He's been really generous with us. He's been sending out samples to his friends. He's been sending out soaps. He's been trying different bases, different scents. But he has decided to put his scent out in the market. I'll put some quotations. It's not like he has a big batch. He's making small batches for those people that are interested, those straight razor shavers. DE guys too. If you are a DE guy and you're interested in Eric's base, here I have for it the pins. This is what I'll be using today. If you're a DE guy and you're interested in the soap, you're gonna try it out. I'll put the link in the description below. Just know that it is a thicker type of soap, so you're going to add a little bit more water. But for me, that's always a plus, right? If you have a soap that can't take as much water and doesn't get that thick, you'll never get a thick soap. But if you wanted to, with one that the base gives you a thick soap, you can always add more water, but you can't do it the other way around. Okay. I'm going to put some Preshave. This is water and glycerin mix. I like it. Put it in the spray bottle. Do 5. This is what I've been doing lately. I like the slickness that it provides. Just as good as Poor Man's Preshave, in my opinion. So my favorite is Poor Man's Preshave, and then this glycerin mix thing. Oil, I have oil. But taking this from your hands, it's a mess. So I'll clean my hands and you'll see how quick it is. That's it. No sticky feeling, no nothing. That's why I like it. All right, the brush for today is the Yaki boar bristle brush. And I bull lathered because that's my thing. I like bull lathering beforehand. Okay, a few things. He uses, I think it's ribeye fat, so it's not vegan. It's a manly type of soap, so none of that. If you like vegan, that's great. I like my soaps with a little bit of fat. The scent is really good. This for the pins. It smells like a nature, and I don't know if he has this one out yet. The Bayou Mullet, that might be a one he sent to me. But he also has this one, Lavash, which I think it means cow. And this one is really good. I don't know, this one gives me like chocolatey vibes, but it's no BS. It's just the type of scent that if you see a really manly guy, that's what he would be wearing. I think what he does is he uses really good ingredients, and then he doesn't mix a lot of them, I think he just uses good quality ingredients, a few, and he has his base down really good. He sent out some samples to Martin. You guys know him as Martin Test Shades. Martin tried it out. Martin loved it. Martin sent it out to his guys in Europe. Gary Haywood said it was really good. I don't know who else he sent it to, but he sent it out to a lot of people. He got it just right. And I think he's happy with it. I'm happy with it. Okay, the razor for today, Dovo Burger Low. This has a cuticle edge, convexed. I've been using it for a while now, just taking chunks out. So as you guys can see, that's it. Let's get right into the shave. It has a really nice glide. Soap is super important when you're gonna have a straight razor shave, in my opinion. And this gets thicker than what I have now. I like my soap a little bit thinner. There's my dog. Watched the usual suspects. Leon. He had a really interesting talk this morning. There's so much things that we don't know about that go behind the scenes. We think we know, but we don't. And he had a great shave. That brush, that boar brush he has with a green knot is a really cool brush. See, I would be happy with this type of lather, but I know some guys like it thicker. I could definitely hold it. My little guy's going crazy today with his little toy. Sorry about that, guys. Am I even recording? That's the question all the time. Am I even recording? I don't know if Eric is going to promote his soap. He's not the type of guy to do that on his channel. But I am the type of guy that if my friend is doing something, I want to be supportive, so that's why I'm making this video. Hope he doesn't get too mad with me. Boom. This convex thing, man. And Jared is putting out some really cool content. Bill M put out a video. Leon Martin has put up videos. I think I'm missing one from Martin that I need to watch, but I watch so many guys. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like Greg Gallant, man, he's always been a really good explainer with his honing videos. But with his shaving videos, man, that guy can just talk to a camera, no problem. I remember the first time I shaved on camera, I was, I'm still not even comfortable doing it. Slowly but surely I am, but Greg is just a natural. I think he should do more shaving videos. I think he's good at it. He has really good technique, better than I do. I like doing my fast shaves, but the the technique isn't there, guys. Like, I'm still 1 year into this, so a lot to learn from Greg, Leon, Martin, Eric. So, and then I got my DE guys that I like watching. Gary Shaves, Matthew Lawrence. Gary Shave is just, Matthew and Gary are just so funny, man. And then I have, I like watching Shave and Chat, and he's been making some videos shaving and teaching his son how to shave, and I think that's just so wholesome. The other day my girl says, you're smiling, and I was like, am I smiling? And then I realized I was watching his video and he was teaching his son how to shave, and I was smiling the whole time because I thought it was so wholesome. And then there's Shave and Chat, but there's also Shave and Tell. And Shave and Tell, I had some questions about open comb, and he was really nice. He made a video explaining the questions I had, and I think he might be a teacher or something, because he answered all my questions expertly. Go check him out. I'm not even gonna do the yeah, I'm not even gonna do that. And then there's some other guys that I really like. The Deacon Shaves. I think he's a deacon in real life. And then Safety Cat Studios. He does DE, but he also does straight razors. Okay. Aquavella, diluted it down. I was running low, didn't want to buy more. And I actually like it like this because it's refreshing, and then you got a little bit of steak, not too much, and that's just a great shave. Comfortable with the cuticle edge and comfortable with the convexity of it. All right. So that's the shave. I'm sorry I've been away a little bit. Just been real busy. And but I've been watching your guys' videos, and that's all I wanted to say. I want to make this video so you guys can check out For It Depends, The Cajun Blade. Go check out his channel. Go check out, if you're interested on the sub, go check out the eBay. Really good stuff, man. I really like it. Everybody who I've seen that has tried it likes it. I'm not really the type of guy that can be like, oh, this is hazelnut, this is that. I try to be. I'm not. I can just tell you that I like the scent. It is a small batch, so I don't know how many he's gonna make. Go check it out if you're interested. If you watch his channel, if you watch mine, our channels are pretty related. Sometimes I'm watching his channel and I see recommended videos from mine, and I think the other way around as well. So if you're interested, go check it out. It works for you guys as well, but mainly it's the perfect, in my opinion, the perfect soap for straight razor shavers because it's so thick. It's gonna take a lot of water, so give it a try. All right, guys. I'm tired. Tomorrow's my day off. I'm happy. Had a good shave. No irritation at all. Good soap. And yeah, I'm ready to kick the bucket is what they say. Ready to hit the sack. See you guys in the next one. Peace.